Ever found yourself staring at an unexpected bill, or maybe your paycheck just hasn't landed yet, and you're wondering, is there a way to bridge this gap without the hassle of traditional loans? You're not alone. We've all been there. That feeling of financial tightness, the stress of unexpected expenses, it's a universal experience. But what if there was a way to access a portion of your upcoming pay, quickly and easily? That's where Beforepay comes in, but the big question is, who exactly can apply? Let's break it down. Beforepay is designed to help Australians access a portion of their wages before their next payday. It's not a loan, but rather an advance on your earned income. This means there are specific criteria to meet, ensuring responsible lending and a sustainable financial solution for users. Firstly, you need to be employed and receiving a regular, consistent income. This is crucial because Beforepay advances you money based on your expected future earnings. Think of it as accessing a portion of what you've already worked for, but haven't received yet. So, if you're a casual worker with irregular hours, or if you're self-employed with fluctuating income, you might find it more challenging to meet the requirements. Secondly, you need to have a consistent pay cycle. Beforepay needs to see a predictable pattern in your income to determine how much they can safely advance you. This means your pay should be deposited into your bank account on a regular schedule, whether it's weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. This consistency allows Beforepay to accurately calculate your repayment schedule and manage risk. Thirdly, you need to have a valid Australian bank account that receives your salary. This is where Beforepay will deposit your advance, and where they'll automatically deduct your repayment on your next payday. This ensures a seamless and automated process, minimizing the risk of missed payments. Fourthly, you must meet the minimum income requirements. Beforepay has certain thresholds to ensure that users can comfortably repay the advance without financial strain. These requirements are in place to protect you, the user, and to ensure that Beforepay remains a responsible and sustainable service. While the exact figures can vary and are subject to change, it's important to check the latest requirements on their website before applying. Fifthly, you need to be over 18 and an Australian resident. This is a standard requirement for most financial services, ensuring that applicants are legally able to enter into financial agreements. Now, let's talk about what might disqualify you. If you're heavily reliant on government benefits as your primary income, or if your income is extremely unpredictable, you might not meet the criteria. Similarly, if you have a history of significant financial instability, or if you're currently in bankruptcy, you might not be eligible. It's important to note that Beforepay uses secure bank-level encryption to access your transaction history to assess your eligibility. This is done to provide a quick and accurate assessment, but it's crucial to understand and be comfortable with this process. In essence, Beforepay is designed for employed Australians who need a short-term financial boost. It's about empowering you to manage unexpected expenses and bridge the gap between pay cycles. If you're someone with a stable income, a regular pay cycle, and a need for quick access to your funds, Beforepay might be a valuable tool. Remember to always use such services responsibly and ensure they align with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.